Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of glam crystal apothecaries. So what you're going to need are some of these beautiful Angel's Tears pendants, and they're in a crystal acrylic pendant. They are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now, you're also going to need some of these beautiful rhinestone buckles, and they are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you'll need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these Crackle candle holders. And you will need 2 packs of these glass Tealight holders. So you'll need a total of 4. They come as a pack of 2. And from Walmart, I have some of these large peel and stick gemstones. And then I also have some of the small peel and stick gemstones. And the small ones, you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any of these components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need to complete these beautiful apothecaries, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't these apothecary jars turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. These pieces are going to be so versatile to use in any room or however you choose to use them. You can use them as apothecary jars, you could use them as candle holders, or just as decorative pieces to sit out on a table. But anyway, let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam videos and glam DIYs, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.